Sabi dito sa nadaanan kong post, bubulagta na lang ako bigla, kakaabot ng pangarap na yan. Well, here's the good news. Abutin mo man o hindi ang pangarap na yan, bubulagta ka pa rin. So why not live a meaningful life, embrace hardships, and learn from your failures? Well, this is it. Hindi natin alam kung may next life or afterlife, 'di ba? So bakit hindi natin gawin kung ano yung makakaya natin para abutin kung ano yung pangarap natin? And only then we could ask ourselves if all of the hardships, all of the sacrifices is worth our dreams. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.